So hi guys, we have Mr. Vishal Nanaware, Deputy General Manager from Global Electronics. Pleasure meeting you, sir.
Nice meeting.
Can you help us out understand what does Global Electronics do and how is it catering to electric mobility and battery space?
Okay.
Yeah, and your insight on what experiences you've had till now while working with battery manufacturers in India.
So as a global electronics, we are the authorized distributor for the Molicel brand. That's the name of Molicel. It's a Taiwanese-based company, and we are dealing with their all the products, especially for the battery cells here in India and APAC region. Okay, so as of now, we are supplying to the numerous numbers of the EV manufacturers and drone manufacturers for their battery pack solution. This kind of sales. Okay.
Right.
So these are the different products that is available under the Molicel. It completely depends on how much is the voltage rating, current rating,
Correct.
and then the form factors and their other ratings. So we are also able to make the customized product for them. Like this is the one of the great product for the battery pack solution. So based on the customer requirement. Okay, so we normally used to give them a customized product as well.
Okay.
This is for the drone application.
Correct,
Okay. So this is what we are providing right now.
Correct.
And the good part of for our distribution field is that we are having a warehouse in India, Pune, as well as in Singapore.
Okay.
So someone wants to pick up the material from Singapore, they can get the export term. And here locally also we are dealing with the INR currency.
Correct. Okay. And sir, since you mentioned that you supply these cells for various different form factors, right? So you majorly cover all sort of mobility like drones and electric vehicles. etc.,
Electric
right?
vehicles.
So what difference do you see in terms of companies? Are they still confident enough to purchase these cells in India itself, even if it's a Taiwanese brand? But a lot of these companies, we know they are used to getting it from China. Right?
Yes.
So have you seen that change or shift in the let's say mindset of the purchase team or the technology or R&D team from the OEMs manufacturer side? Have you seen that change? Are they open to purchase in India?
Not usually, because some of the people, some of the manufacturers, they always look for the good quality products.
Correct.
So if quality comes first, then definitely the person will go for the Molicel. Okay.
Correct.
So in that case, we are only making the tie-up with the person who are looking for the quality and good products. If someone is looking for the cheap rates, then definitely it's not going to happen. We are not that much competitive compared to the local products.
Perfect.
Okay. So in our past experience, what we have faced so far is that the manufacturers, they are utilizing the local products or somewhere like a cheap product. They are facing a lot of problem with their battery pack. Usually for the drone manufacturers as well as for the EV.
Correct.
So now they are also shifting to the good quality products. That's why.
Since you mentioned about quality, can you help us understand how did you check that the company you're partnering with, because you're the channel partner, that this is the right company to partner with and get their cells in India? How did you? What were the parameters that you went through to finalize a technology partner and get them ready?
Okay. So like that, if someone is committing that my battery pack is having this much of current rating and this is the voltage rating, and if they are committed like this will give at least 3 hours of battery backup.
Correct.
But in actual, it's not going to happen. It will give around 2 hours backup or 1 hour backup. In that case, this Molicel, we are committed. Whatever we have mentioned in our data sheet.
So all these cells are tested and they got
yes,
a
it's
certification,
completely
testing
tested.
certification.
Yes.
Right.
So all the test certifications will be provided along with the battery shipment.
Great.
Okay, COC certificates, then test reports, everything will be given. Also the other parameter like the burst current, the backup time, then environment condition also matters. Okay. So based on that, I can commit you that Molicel is a very good brand.
Great. And so what price difference approximately in percentage do you see in these cells versus the Chinese cells that are imported? What is the percentage approximately?
The price difference, I can see the recent trend is like not on a higher side, just like 15 to 20% or somewhere
Okay.
25% is the price.
Not a huge difference.
It's not a huge difference.
Is it because you cater to multiple form factors, so you're able to, let's say, fulfill the volume demand, and that's why the price is competitive? Do you think that is the reason, or is there any other reason?
Not exactly, but it's only because of the quality of the products.
Okay, perfect. So thanks a lot. It was a pleasure meeting you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.